am digging it, y'all. I got a bob again, girl. The black bob, honey.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tatiana. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a freehand quick weave bob. This isn't a super technical one length bob. I'm just really going to be using my razor comb to create the bob look that I'm going for. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're able to understand exactly what I am doing. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment below if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. White if you're using the clear protectant. If you're using the black protectant, you want to blow dry it until it is completely hard. So if you notice, I do have some of the white residue from the product. You can simply remove that with water. In today's video, I'm going to be using Sensational's Remi hair. I'm going to be using 12, 14, and 10 inches. I'm going to start off with the 10 inches first. I'm going to put in some 12, 14, and then 12 again to create almost like a little asymmetrical bob look. To create a flowy bob and a bob with movement, I like to start my wefts at the top of my ear and I bring it over to the other side, to the top of my ear on that side. And then I'm just going to continue to work my way up, curving until I cannot curve anymore. I like to start my wefts this high up because it allows me to have enough hair to actually be able to grab with my flat irons when I go to maintain my bob. If you were to start your wefts at the nape, of course that hair at the bottom is going to be really short, and sometimes it could be a little difficult to try to bump that and get it back right. And it causes the hair to actually bend and do that annoying flip, and don't nobody want a bob that flips like that unless that's what you're literally going for. All of the 10 inch, I'm going in then I wanted to just use half a pack of 12-inch and then use my 14-inch at the top. But these packs of hair these days do not have as much hair, especially as it gets longer. So I'm actually going to be using all of the 12. But right here, I am just using half a pack, and then I'm going to go on with 14, and then I'm going to go in with my 12 again once I get closer to the top.
So now I have exactly a full pack of 10 and exactly a half of the 12 inches. And now I'm about to put in 14 and we're gonna get to cutting and styling.
As I'm continuing to get to the top, I'm not able to do as much curving anymore. So now on my heavier side, I'm going to be placing my wefts vertically just so we can go ahead and continue to close up to get near our leave out.
So I have this much left of the 14 and I'm already really close, but I still want to add one more piece, like maybe right here. But I know that the way I am placing the tracks, that they're really close. I don't know if this will be enough. So I'm just going to grab maybe a piece or two from this one to kind of fill in up here and then keep going. So I went ahead and added 2 more of the 12 inches closer to my leave out because this is all I have left of the 14 inches. It's like really hit and miss when it comes to these packs of hair. So I just about used all 3 packs right now.
Before cutting off the excess cap, I like to make sure that my hair near my leave out is completely dry. With my razor comb, I'm going to go ahead and cut off all of the excess hair and start to create my bob. Once I've created my bob foundation, I'm going to go ahead and go with my shears and clean up any pieces that were still left that were extra long that I wasn't able to get with my razor comb. have my bob as even as possible in the back, I did pull out my phone, actually on Snapchat, because I was able to zoom in to actually see anything that I needed to fix on. I don't have a handheld mirror, so if you have a handheld mirror, definitely use that. But the phone definitely helped me. To style my hair, I'm using a light styling spritz. I'm going to be lightly misting each section and doing a light bevel to create a nice slight little bump to give my bob some shape. As I was styling, I did see that I had some longer pieces, so I just snipped those as I was styling. My styling spray started acting up, so I just changed it and I'm using my Camera Firm Hold Spray.
Hugs. It looks so cute. Thanks. I haven't had a bob in a minute. Yay! Alright, we are all done. Let me put on a cute top. Alright, y'all, this is the finishing look. I am digging it. Y'all, I got a bob again. Girl. The black bob, honey. The bob is in full effect, honey. It is springtime, summertime on the way, so y'all know the bobs are about to be out. And my bob is bobbing. It looks so cute with little braces. You cute, girl, you cute. So this video was not like my first tutorial. If you want to go check that out and see how to do a detailed one length bob protective click weave, it's in the description below. This video, I really didn't feel like being super technical and stuff. I just really freehanded, like literally. I was like, okay, I know I want a bob. I know I want it to be a certain way, and I am a fan of the razor comb when it comes to doing bobs. On my clients, I'll do a razor comb and then I'll go in and actually, you know, clean cut, just to take a little bit of the weight out of the bottom. So that's the main reason why I do the razor cut. But yeah, but also doing the razor cut with this look helped me to create some uneven little layers and little wispies and whatnot. It's still, of course, one length, but it's not perfect, and I wasn't going for perfect. So I was going just for the look that I am going for right now. It's fun, it's cute, it does whatever the heck I want it to do. And yeah, that is it. I'm about to now get ready to hang out with my mom and my family for Mother's Day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram at _TatiTV, and I will see you in my next video.